Today I will show you how to hide folder in Windows. First I will create a folder which I will then hide. The folder name will be folder. Next, right-click on the folder you want to hide. Click on Properties and the Properties window will open. If you want to hide the folder, you must check the Hidden attribute. As you can see, the folder is hidden. If you want hidden folders to be visible, you can configure them through Options. The attribute Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drivers must be checked in the View tab. Now hidden folders will also be displayed. If you don't want to hide this folder anymore, you can remove the hidden attribute from the folder properties.